welcome to our room. This is Mrs. Feinberger's first grade classroom. We're happy to have you here today. And I would like to take a minute to show you around our room and show you some of the special things that are special to each one of us. When you come into our room right now, you'll see some of our apple trees that we made in our apple unit. We sponge painted them. Next we have...
Hi, I'm Jessica Porter. Hi, I'm Kevin Hall. Hi, I'm Tiny Fosdick. Hi, I'm Nicole. And Olsen.
Okay.
Five little pumpkins sitting on the gate. The first one said, "Oh my, it's getting late." The second one said, "There are witches in the air." The third one said, "But we don't care." The fourth one said, "Let's run and run and run." The fifth one said, "I'm ready for some fun." Wish went away and out went the lights and the five little pumpkins rolled aside. Thank you. Goodbye. I think for gate. I'm thankful for church.